Today we're coming live from Foslora here. Baba. Kunjani Papa?
Right, man.
Please introduce yourself, Ntate.
My name is Senti Mukhasani. I'm the organizer of Stokvel Talk for
Yes.
any event.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today, what's Alankamo?
Today we've actually invited companies to come into the township because we've realized with the blacks on their own. It's not like an advert when you see a billboard somewhere that says Coke as life. So that on its own doesn't serve a black person.
Yes.
A black person wants something that could touch.
Yes.
That is why in terms of township economy, we invite companies to come to the township so that people should be able to feel all the products of these companies. Number two is that the very Stokvels in the townships, they don't see the power that they have.
Yes.
Because of, based on the research, it is said that 56 billion is sitting with 4 major banks and others like the retailers, insurances, and funeral undertakers. So the whole money there, members of the Stokvel, they don't see the power that they have.
Yes.
So from our side at Stokvel Talk, we do actually advise them to say, guys, you don't see the power that we have. Make sure that whatever you do, you come together as a group, because in terms of any black person, there isn't anyone who's actually not in, if at all we are a black person and we are not involved in this grouping of the Stokvel, there's something wrong with you because of we grew up from our great-parents, they've been Stokvels. So from our side of the Stokvel Talk, we are somehow renewing what has been done by our great-grandparents and our parents, so that the very Stokvel is actually disseminated from us. But the other problem is that we are preaching this thing of saying the 20s, the 2000s.
Yes, I'm a 2K.
I'm a 2K, they don't understand my Stokvel.
Yeah.
And then if they told we are not going to do this thing for our TKs, so Tina as citizens of this country, these Stokvels will fade altogether. It's a question of now, we as adults we need to train our people and get used to this Stokvel fraternity as to, it's not just money. There are these burial societies, savings, we name it. But once we could actually educate our people, because if you don't do that, this country is going down. Because if we could do that, we'll be somewhere else. So all the people that are here, is to say, guys, come and listen to us. If you want any advice, they shouldn't look any further, they must come to us. So that's our purpose, general.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu umuntu omdala. So abantu unga-advise abantu bathini ukuthi labo akungazi abangakuthi ama-member we-Stokvel baza kanjani, banithola kanjani ukuthi bajoyine i-Stokvel?
Yeah, Tina, sine-database yethu esiyenzayo. Wherever we go, she created the database. The database le yethu, we've got database from the whole of Gauteng and also part of Limpopo. So anybody, it's a newspaper for the circulator everywhere.
Yes.
So
Yini igama le-newspaper?
The Stokvel Talk newspaper.
Okay.
So if you told a newspaper, then they can telephone us, and then we are easily accessible. So that's why everywhere.
Banithola kanjani konje?
It's number wherever you go.
Okay.
When you go outside, there's a gazebo.
Okay.
That has got our numbers.
Okay.
But anybody in the corner must call a distinct program.
Okay.
So that's how we normally do.
Nina ne website futhi.
Yes,
Na kuma social media now.
Yes, social media now go Facebook sikhona yonke into. Wherever you go, siyasho endaweni eso. Siyasho ukuthi mafuna ucontact izala baza ngobuningi.
Siyabonga kakhulu umuntu omdala.